If the heat has left you tired and without an appetite, you should check this out. Let's wake up your digestive system first. Let's eat after boosting your digestive power. So this time, by drinking it before your meal, you can boost your digestive power. I'll share 3 top ingredients for a fatigue-fighting drink. You can mix it with cold water or even with soda. I'll also share the secret to boosting your energy. So please watch until the end. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for the ultimate drink. These boost appetite, aid digestion, and improve internal organ function. These ingredients also provide vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Fatigue from summer gradually builds up, lack of sleep from uncomfortable nights, getting too cold from air conditioning, and an imbalance in your autonomic nervous system can all happen. But most importantly, isn't loss of appetite something we should be careful about? If your diet becomes unbalanced and you don't get enough nutrients, it can make your fatigue even worse. First, have a drink to boost your digestion. Then, please make sure to eat your meal. Ingredients are in simple amounts: ginger, Han mirin, and vinegar. Please be sure to use Han mirin, which is gentle on your body. You can use any vinegar you like. This time, I want to use apple and persimmon moromi vinegar, which contains and is bottled with sake leaves. It's vinegar. Use black vinegar or any kind you prefer. Wash the ginger well and slice it thinly with the skin on. Pour the mirin into a pot and heat it over medium heat to reduce it. At this time, add the ginger as well and simmer to extract the ginger's essence. Remember the approximate total amount and reduce it by about half. During this time, the alcohol in the mirin evaporates and the ginger's active ingredients are released. By simmering the mirin, sugars like glucose and oligosaccharides become an easily absorbed energy source. Mirin is also a low glycemic index food and a fermented seasoning, so it contains amino acids, organic acids, and antioxidants, making it a gentle sweetener for your body. To obtain these nutrients, please be sure to use authentic mirin. The component in ginger that warms the body, gingerol, increases when heated. It improves stomach and intestinal blood flow, boosting digestive juice secretion to enhance appetite and digestion. It also helps support absorption. Okay, it's already reduced to about half the original amount. You can see that enough extract has come out of the ginger, and the ginger has shrunk a bit compared to the beginning, right? Okay, now turn off the heat and add the vinegar at the end. Alright, the ginger vinegar drink base is finished. What about acetic acid, the main component of vinegar? It increases appetite, helps prevent a rapid rise in blood sugar, lowers blood pressure, and aids in calcium absorption. Various effects like these are well known. It also helps with recovery from fatigue. Yes, it is also useful for recovering from fatigue. Yes. This is a healthy vinegar ginger soda with a refreshing ginger ale-like taste. You can mix it with warm water, or it's also delicious if you mix it with milk or soy milk. It's also really tasty if you use it in vinegar-based dishes. It's your choice. Add as much as you want. I'll add a little bit of white dashi. You can use noodle soup base instead if you like. Soy sauce works too. Now, just mix everything together. You'll receive a vinegar dish with a pleasant ginger aroma and flavor, so give it a try. Now, let me describe the taste of the ginger vinegar soda drink. I think so. It's refreshing and delicious. The only sweetener is mirin, so it's very light and clean, has umami, and you also get a sharp kick of ginger in the background. The spiciness stands out and helps stimulate your appetite. This one is mixed with milk. It's so smooth and really easy to drink. It also helps relieve summer fatigue, so please give it a try. Next, let me introduce Amazake lemonade. The ingredients are in easy-to-make amounts: Amazake and lemon. I wash the peel thoroughly. First, cut it in half and squeeze out the juice. Let's do it. The amount of juice will vary depending on the lemon, but this time I'll use about 2 lemons. And as for the lemon peel, if you're using domestically grown lemons, wash them thoroughly and use the peel as well. I think you'll enjoy the aroma even more. Grate a little bit of the peel. Let's mix them together. It smells really nice. I grated the lemon peel a little bit like this. Okay, now for the Amazake. This is the concentrated type of Amazake. The one you prepared is better suited for drinks, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Around here, you can also use lemon juice. That's right, but please adjust the amount to your liking. I want to enjoy a bit of the lemon's slight bitterness too, so it's an adult lemonade. So I grated plenty of the peel, and now all that's left is to mix it, and it's done. If you want to use the lemon peel too, you don't have to use all of it. Just cut as much as you want to use. If you simmer the lemon peel in mirin the same way you did with the ginger earlier, it will pick up just the right amount of sweetness and taste delicious. If you feel like it's not sweet enough, just add more mirin and let it simmer down. Pour the Amazake lemonade into a clean container, refrigerate, and enjoy within 2-3 weeks. If you like a bit of bitterness, you can add the peel in here and enjoy it together. You can also use the peel separately, like adding it to sweets, which can be a surprisingly nice accent, so please give it a try. You can mix it with sparkling water, or dilute it with hot or cold water. It's really up to you how you want to drink it. Mixing it with milk or soy milk also gives it a gentle and delicious flavor. Also, adding Amazake lemonade to yogurt is absolutely delicious. It makes up more than 20% of rice malt Amazake. The main carbohydrate is glucose. It is quickly digested and absorbed in the body, becoming an immediate source of energy. It is also rich in B vitamins, which are known as metabolism vitamins. It also has a balanced blend of essential amino acids, hearing-friendly oligosaccharides, and dietary fiber for beauty. It also has potent antioxidants like koic acid and ergothioneine. And the citric acid and vitamin C in lemons help break down fatigue-causing substances and give you energy, making them a reliable ally. I want to tell you about the taste of sparkling Amazake lemonade. That's what I think. The gentle sweetness of Amazake and the aroma of lemon softly fill your mouth, making this a very mild and gentle-tasting lemonade. With a subtle sweetness, it has a refined taste. Up to this point, I've introduced healthy drinks that you can easily enjoy using familiar ingredients. But this product is especially recommended for those who are looking for higher quality ingredients and effects, or for those who want to develop healthy habits in their daily lives. Please take a look. It's made with natural honey as a base, and concentrated plum extract and propolis are added. This is Barucha's premium honey concentrated plum extract. I wish you could taste it as it is. I think the tartness is milder than I expected, and the beneficial ingredients are tightly concentrated. It has a rich flavor. For those who find yume extract or yume pulp extract too sour and have trouble eating them, this one is delicious even if you eat it just as it is. Yume extract, valued in Kishu since ancient times, contains ume's beneficial components. It's high in citric and organic acids. As a health food, it stimulates gastric acid secretion, and a lick before meals supports digestion. That's right. Furthermore, propolis is known worldwide for being of the highest quality. We use Brazilian propolis. Propolis contains more than 40 types of flavonoid antioxidants. It contains a balanced mix of amino acids, essential vitamins, and minerals. It's a high-density, highly nutritious food. The balance of sourness and sweetness is exquisite, and the most important point is that it's not too sour. The easiest and most recommended way to take it is to lick it straight off the spoon when you're tired or before meals. You can also mix it with hot water, soda, or yogurt. I think it would be good mixed with miso for salads. You can use it in all sorts of dishes too. If you're interested, please check out the link in the description for Barucha's concentrated plum. Let me introduce a premium drink made with Ekisupuri Miyamu honey that gently delivers nutrients to your body. Let's try making Ume Ekisupuri Miyamu honey harate. All you have to do is add milk to the premium honey. It's truly an easy and healthy drink. The tartness is really mild, the sweetness is subtle, and it's truly delicious. But you know, it's the kind of drink that makes you feel gently warmed from the inside and gives you energy. Just thinking about how this one cup is packed with the wonderful nutrients of plum extract and propolis makes me feel like it could be a strong ally during the summer. I think it would go well with soy milk too, so please give it a try as well. This time, I introduced the base for a healthy drink that supports increased appetite and metabolism. Taking it before meals will help your digestive system work better, so please give it a try before eating. It's a scorching summer, but let's stay healthy and energized with nutritious drinks. The concentrated Ume Premium Honey from Baruch that I introduced is rich. I'm already feeling tired. I highly recommend it for anyone feeling worn out. Thank you for watching until the end.